Today I'm going to share with you what's in my latest ThredUP Goody Box. This time around, I asked my stylist Jessica Myers for items from Uniqlo. I've never been in their store. They have one down in DC. I just never make it there, and I keep wanting to check out their clothes in person, and I decided to be lazy and just do it this way. If you'd like Jessica to style you a box, the best way to reach her is by Instagram. I'll link her Instagram below. The most expensive item in this box is a dress, which is $26, and the least expensive is a t-shirt, which is $13. Oh, that might be the dress. Kind of rumpled. Interesting. All right, and this dress I think was the most expensive thing in the box. I think it's $25.99. It's kind of a rumpled mess of rayon. I don't always understand the ThredUP pricing, but okay. If I needed this sort of thing, it's not a bad dress of this sort of thing. It's a very flowy long sleeve t-shirt. It's a Pima cotton. It feels really nice. Okay, and this is the $13 t-shirt. I was just putting this on to put on with the other sweater, but I actually kind of like it. I think it's a good cut. It does say it's Pima cotton, so it's super soft. Wow. 13. Ooh, that's a cardigan. It's pretty. It has like white edging on it. Feels really nice. It's soft. It's cashmere. Oh my gosh. It's 100% cashmere. It is $19.99. I don't see any signs of wear on it at all. Oh, it is mine. It is mine. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this is mine. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is only $20. And there's another cardigan. I did specifically say, if you can get this one, please do. I really liked the look of it. It's funny because I think this is a medium and the cashmere was a small. And if anything, I think this is smaller. I don't think it's too small. I think it'll be okay. Again, 20 bucks. Pair of jeans. These are like super stretchy. What size are they? Small. They are definitely like leggings. I guess they fit. I don't know. Whew. Not gonna stay up very well on me, and yet they're too small. It's interesting to see what Uniqlo offers. Okay, and these are jeans that are a little more jean-like. I think the jeans are $14, and we already know that I can't resist $14 jeans. The jeans are actually kind of great. High rise, dark wash, skinny. Nothing going on. I've been kind of looking for those this year. $14. I have so many jeans, but I'm going to end up with one more. Another pair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that reminds me of maternity. These are, I think, $15.99. I do think the sizing of Uniqlo is super inconsistent because I think these are a medium, which says medium, waist 28-29, and if anything they feel smaller to me than the jeans, which were 27. So that's kind of Old Navy-ish in terms of like the quality and the consistency of sizing. Oh, it's fuzzy. Oh, it's fuzzy. Oh, that's great. Lint magnet, but it's fuzzy and soft. This is a navy fleece. It's $19. It's just a very utilitarian piece. I've been walking a lot more dogs, and looks like I'm picking up some more. So the thing that I think I'm most excited about is that its inside pockets work like denim jacket pockets, where you have that like super secure area inside your pockets. So you can put your biscuits in your outside pocket and your phone and your keys in your inside pocket. Zip up, be warm. I think this has real potential. So this stuff I'm really thinking of more for my casual everyday dog walking, working from home kind of wardrobe. And I think these pieces will fit the bill for that. I believe these are 16. They are size medium and maybe smaller than the size smalls. It's very confusing, the sizing. They're so thin. There's somebody somewhere who wants these pants. It's not me. It's a dress that has like a built-in bra. That's interesting. We'll have to see how that goes. It is new with tags, which I appreciate since that's a bra. Interesting. Well, I was prepared to not like this dress, and I kind of do. That is not bad. It is $19.99. Super comfortable. Ridiculously soft. I don't do anything like this. It would be great if you were like going to Disney or something. You're going to be walking around all day in the heat and wanted to be comfortable but kind of pulled together. It's good for that. It's kind of nice. I was prepared to dismiss this one. Now I have to think about it. So I request a custom box so that I can be really specific with Jessica about what I want. That's what I recommend if you want to try it. Here's what I decided to keep. Everything else has gone back at this point. I could not pass up this fuzzy thing. It's just going to be really comfortable for walking dogs. Oh, this cashmere sweater. So nice. That's a little more in my not mess mom category. This t-shirt, it's so soft. So my overall feeling about this brand, I had watched a video, Justine LeConte did a video where she talked about, she does these videos where she buys a bunch of clothing. She's a clothing designer and she buys a bunch of clothing from an inexpensive clothing source and then lets us know what she thinks of it. And she was a little unimpressed, although a lot of what she was complaining about was fit issues. She's very tall, so I'm just not built the same way that she is. So I found the clothing generally fit well. It feels very nice quality for the price range. Even the price range of this clothing, if you buy it new, it's pretty affordable. And what I got from ThredUP is all really good quality, is all in really good condition, and it's nice quality clothing. I feel like it fit really nicely. I feel overall it seems like kind of Gap quality for Old Navy prices. So not bad at all. I kept the jeans because they're just a nice dark wash pair of stretchy, comfortable jeans that fit well. When can I say no to that for $14? If I keep $75 or more in items, I get a $10 credit. The total of this was around $65. I wanted to keep one more of the $20 pieces. Either I deliberated between the pink sweater and the dress, so I actually did ask you on Instagram. You like both of them? The pink sweater fared a little bit worse. I just decided that since I'm also keeping this, and I feel like there's not going to be a lot of times where I'm going to not be able to use this and wish I had the pink one, I decided to keep the dress, which did really well on Instagram. It's so soft. It is 68% modal, 27% cotton, 5% spandex. So everything has a ton of spandex in it. I don't know, the tag on the jeans is kind of cut up, so I can't really read it. This top has 6% spandex, so it's like super stretchy, although it's not super fitted on me. It just feels really nice. I am surprised at how happy I am with the Uniqlo brand, but I really loved getting the pieces from ThredUP. I think my total was right around $85. So 5 pieces for $85 is a really good deal. I'm super happy. Always super happy with my ThredUP Goody Boxes. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to see you again, so click subscribe below. See you Wednesday.